Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a mobile spray tanning business. My name is Mary and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start your mobile spray tanning business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Mobile spray tanning is a business that allows you to spray tan your customers in the comfort of their own home or office. Unlike a traditional tanning studio, mobile tanning allows you to go to your clients so they don't have to leave the comfort of their own home, and the added convenience usually translates into a higher price point for the service. Because each business will serve a different clientele and market their services differently, there are endless opportunities to start a mobile spray tanning business. Over the last decade, this market has expanded rapidly. Because of the low overhead and small upfront cost, you can get started for less than $1,000, and in some cases much less. When you first start your spray tanning business, you will need to make some critical, fundamental decisions about its basic operations. These decisions lay the groundwork for your new venture's future success or failure. It is therefore critical to conduct extensive research and consider every possible avenue in order to maximize your chances of success. Because of the adaptability of spray tanning services, deciding where your business will operate is one of the first major decisions that must be made right away. Owning your own spray tan salon, partnering with a salon that provides other beauty services, or starting a mobile business are some of the more common paths taken by industry newcomers, each with its own set of benefits and drawbacks. While the first two options are more traditional and have thus been thoroughly covered in other postings, weighing the benefits of a solely mobile spray tanning business may provide a new perspective and some inspiration for your future company. The first thing entrepreneurs consider when calculating their startup costs versus how much this business style may earn them is a critical factor in the decision-making process. Because of the additional equipment required for a mobile spray tanning business, the initial investment may be greater than that of its competitors. Owners who choose the mobile strategy, on the other hand, can expect to quickly close the gap when compared to those who pay the regular costs associated with a fixed location, such as rent and electricity. This equates to a monthly savings of $600 to $3,500, figures that cannot be overlooked. Profits for a mobile setup can vary depending on your location and the demand for such a business concept. You should conduct a thorough analysis to get a realistic estimate of how much money your company can expect to make. The average cost of a spray tan in a salon is $60, with mobile businesses typically charging more to reflect the specialty of a one-on-one service at the client's preferred location. Mobile businesses are also more likely to succeed in wealthier geographic areas with an already established market of spray tan customers. The flexibility that such a setup provides is perhaps the most appealing benefit, and the one that draws the majority of entrepreneurs to choose a mobile business. However, with such freedom comes increased responsibility. As your own boss, you have complete control over all business decisions. You can choose how many days per week you want to work, what hours you want to work, how far you are willing to travel to offer your service, how you want to acquire new customers, and so on. This adaptability also makes this business model accessible to the vast majority of people, regardless of lifestyle. Work can be scheduled around a family, school, or even another job while still running a successful business. Flexibility is also provided without the obligation of monthly rent charges. This lower risk is a big draw for startup entrepreneurs because it allows them to enter the market without the long-term financial commitment of a lease. Taking the first steps is simple if you have a reliable vehicle, the funds to invest in a starter kit, and a strong desire to succeed. Because there are approximately 30,000 registered and licensed spray tanning salons in the United States, you must be creative with your business model if you want to stand out from the crowd. A mobile services specialization will appeal to a niche market that does not have the time or desire to visit the salon on a regular basis to maintain their perfect glow. Targeting this segment with your unique service in an already developed spray tan market will make it easier to gain a loyal following, resulting in consistent revenue for your growing business. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a mobile spray tanning business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.